Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to amazing Iran and Rud Khan Castle with 1,600 steps. We came to a place with 1,600 steps, and to see the magnificent and historical castle, we have to climb these 1,600 steps. The path of climbing these stairs is so beautiful that if you feel tired, you will definitely experience a sense of pleasure at the same time. From here, you start climbing the stairs. In this channel, I posted a complete video of climbing the stairs of my trip to this castle last year. If you are interested in seeing the castle at the top of the stairs, you can watch that video. If you are interested in traveling to Iran, so don't miss my videos. Thanks for watching.